Hi, my name is Kay, and I'm a wellness trainer for mHub. Today, we're going to practice one of the essential components of life, which is breath. We're going to focus intently on how we're breathing first. First, let's take our hand and place it on our stomach. Let's monitor our breath for a few seconds. How do you feel your breath? Have you noticed that it's fast-paced, medium-paced, or slow-paced? Take the time to observe. Next, we're going to do a breathing exercise together. We will do this a total of 3 times. In between each breathing exercise, we will breathe in, hold it for a count of 4, and then exhale or breathe out. As we focus on breathing, I want you to pay attention to your breath as you're inhaling and exhaling. Try to make sounds in the inhale and the exhale. This signals to your brain to relax. Let's try it together. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable and focus on your breath. Deep breath in. Hold it for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Deep breath out slowly. How does your body feel? Again, let's do it for a second count. Deep breath in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly breathe out. One last time. Deep breath in. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Deep breath out. Have you noticed any differences from how you started versus how you ended? Have you noticed any more relaxation or rest within the body? These components of psychological breathing stimulate rest in the body. Let's try our best to focus on breathing throughout the day by taking wholesome breaths in, slowly, and wholesome breaths out. Making sure that we focus on breathing all the way through our stomachs, engaging our diaphragms, and having a full wholesome breath out. Thank you so much for participating with me, and have a great day.